Okay, so if you are wanting to do your presentation, you probably have to leave it on this screen and not make it the big screen. So hopefully you have a font that's readable. So you'll go through here and do your presentation, but you got to record it because on this sheet you need to make sure you have a shareable link, like this one. You should click on that, by the way. Super cute. And make sure you have your name and the period and then the link to your video. So if you don't have Screencastify, it's a Chrome extension. You can just type in Chrome extension Screencastify and download it. I think your Chromebook should be able to do that. Mine's already on there. So once I have it, I'm going to see if this lets me record in my recording. So I click up here, my extensions, turn it on, and I want to record my desktop. I want to enable microphone. You can see it moving when I talk. I hit record. I click this for my entire screen. I hit share. See, it's about to do it. This is weird that I'm recording. See, I'm still recording. So then I'll go here, do all this good stuff. It says, Screencastify is sharing my screen. And then I go through my whole presentation. And then once I'm done, I'm going to hit pause here, or maybe stop sharing. And it takes me to this screen automatically. Okay. And you can listen to your whole thing, and then you can publish to YouTube or get, I don't think you want get embed code. Oh, there's copy shareable link in Google Drive. Let's try that. Boom. Cool. And then you could go back to this and put it in here. Hopefully, before you do that, you listen to it here. Hit the play button, make sure your sound is coming through and your video looks good. And then you can copy shareable link, or you could publish it to YouTube and then get the shareable link there. But I think this is great, the Google Drive. Okay, I think that should work, and you'll paste it there. And then, yeah, good times. And then do a good job, get some credit for that little thing there. All right. I will talk to you later. Hopefully that helps. Email me if you have any questions.